Increased fire danger from Wednesday morning through Wednesday evening. Dry and windy conditions return to the area on Wednesday behind a departing cold front. Afternoon relative humidity values are expected to drop into the 25 to 30% range with occasional wind gusts of 15 to 20 miles per hour. This, combined with dry conditions, will result in increased fire danger across North Carolina. Please refer to your local burn permitting authorities on whether you can burn today. If you do burn, use extreme caution since fires can quickly get out of hand under these conditions. These are the 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations for the upstate on Tuesday, October 21st. At Greenville-Spartanburg International Airport, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 67 degrees, the dew point 58, and the relative humidity 72%. The wind was west at 14 miles an hour, gusting to 22. The pressure was 29.91 inches and steady. Downtown Greenville, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 67 degrees. Elsewhere in South Carolina, at Charleston, it was clear, with a temperature of 63. It was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 68 at Anderson, 66 at Greenwood, and 70 at Columbia. At Clemson, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 66. In North Georgia, skies ranged from mostly cloudy to cloudy. It was 65 at Athens, 64 at Gainesville, and 69 at Atlanta. In North Carolina, at Asheville, it was clear, with a temperature of 61. At the Rutherford County Airport, it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 63. At Charlotte, it was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 69. At Greensboro, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 69. And in East Tennessee, it was partly cloudy. It was 57 at Chattanooga, 58 at Knoxville, and 58 at Bristol. Once again at 9 p.m., at the Greenville-Spartanburg Airport, it was 67 degrees and partly cloudy. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the upstate of South Carolina, including the Greenville-Spartanburg vicinity. Tonight, partly cloudy with a slight chance of rain until midnight, then clear after midnight. Lows in the upper 40s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Wednesday night, clear. Lows in the lower 40s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, clear. Lows in the lower 40s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. The extended forecast for the listening area. Friday, sunny. Highs around 70. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-40s. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Saturday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. Sunday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-60s. Sunday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers after midnight. Lows around 50. Chance of rain 40%. Monday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Lows around 50. Tuesday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, WXJ21, broadcasting from the SCETV Tower on Paris Mountain in Greenville County, operating on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz. This transmitter is serving the upstate of South Carolina. The current time is 9:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The Greenville-Spartanburg, South Carolina climate summary for this evening as of 4 p.m., October 21st, 2025. Today's high temperature of 77 degrees occurred at 1:19 p.m. The normal high is 71. The record high is 86 degrees, which was set in 1941. Today's low temperature of 43 degrees occurred at 2:37 a.m. The normal low is 48. The record low is 28 degrees, which was set in 1974. The average temperature was 60, which was normal. No precipitation fell today, which leaves the monthly total at 0.10 inches. The total precipitation still stands at 38.57 inches. Sunday sunset tonight is at 6:46 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:41 a.m. Here is a special weather statement.